At 9:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Salisbury, or over Spencer, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Spencer, Granite Quarry, and High Rock Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Rowan, North Carolina. Until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles west of Huntersville, or near Stanley, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Huntersville, Concord, Northeast Charlotte, Harrisburg, University City, Charlotte Motor Speedway, Cottle Creek Reservoir, Ramsey Creek Park, and Croft. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus and Mecklenburg.